Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are good. So, I'll be teaching you computer. All of you take out your book, open your chapter number 1, that is all about computer. So, students, what is computer? We all know computer is an electronic machine. So, we do so many things on computers. It has so many uses. We'll see in this chapter. Let's begin with what is computer? Parts of a computer, characteristics of computer, types of computer, uses of computer, advantages and disadvantages of computer. Let's just start.
Nikki, can you tell about the advantages of computer? Yes, a computer has so many advantages as we can play games on it. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that works on the instructions of humans. It is widely used in offices and for personal use throughout the world because it is fast and accurate. Computers are used for storing and processing data, finding information, playing games, communication purposes, playing music, creating documents such as letters and presentations, for solving mathematical and scientific problems, etc. A computer is thus a smart machine. Parts of a computer. A computer has many different parts that together make up a computer system. Monitor, speakers, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor. Monitor is the output unit of the computer where the information is nowadays. High-quality LCD and LED monitors are also available in the market. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device resembling a typewriter. It has different keys which perform different functions. By pressing these keys, we enter our data into the computer. The data entered can be seen on the computer screen. Mouse. Mouse is also an input device that is used for pointing and clicking. Using the mouse cursor, we can point at any icon, choose, drag, select, and open the program. A mouse usually has two buttons on it, left and right. In between these two buttons is the scroll wheel to scroll the pointer on the computer screen. CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is also known as the brain of the computer. Its main task is to process the information that is put in the computer by the user. After processing the information, the result is displayed on the monitor. The CPU consists of three parts: arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and memory unit. It is responsible for doing all the mathematical and scientific calculations. Printer. It is an output device. It gives output in the printed form on a paper. Printers are of many types: laser, inkjet, etc. Speaker. Speakers are used to hear sound which is either stored in or played by the computer. These parts of the computer can be grouped into three main units. These are input unit, processing unit, output unit. Input unit. It consists of input devices that are used to give instructions to the computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, etc. Processing unit. Its main task is to process the data entered in the computer system by the input device. For example, CPU. Output unit. It consists of output devices that are used to see the information when the processing of the data is over. For example, printer, monitor, etc. Characteristics of computers: high speed, accuracy, good storage capacity, diligence, versatility. Types of computers: desktop computer, laptop computer, handheld computers. Uses of computers. Computers are highly useful in education sector. In modern days teaching methods, computers are used as an important teaching tool. Computers are being used in hospitals for keeping patients' record. They are used for preparing medical reports which are very useful to diagnose patients' illness. Computers help us in communication. This is done with the help of internet. Using a computer, one can chat or send an email to a person sitting miles away in fraction of a second. Computers have reduced the paper work in public and private sector, offices, banks, etc. by managing enormous amount of data. Computers are used in post offices for the transactions of money. Computers are used at railway stations and airports to manage ticketing and to provide information about arrivals and departures of trains and flights. Computers are used in banks to keep customers' account information and for withdrawal of money through ATM. Computers are used for making high-quality audios, videos, movies, etc. Computers are used for entertainment also. One can play games, listen to music or watch a movie on a computer. Computers are used for online shopping. Advantages and disadvantages of computers. Advantages. Computer can perform many functions at the same time. It can work on more than one program simultaneously. It can solve complex mathematical and scientific problems easily and accurately. It helps in saving paper by letting large amount of data to be stored in its memory. Computers have made communication across the globe easier. Computers help us to learn and play various multimedia. Disadvantages. Computers do not have brain of their own. They cannot think or take decisions themselves. A computer needs proper care for its appropriate and smooth functioning. Computers are expensive. Computers cannot work without electricity. Computers are dependent upon humans for data and instructions.